How much should you actually spend on a 10X magnifying lighted makeup mirror? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, VESAUR Professional Makeup Mirror. First up is the VESAUR Professional 8.5 Large Lighted Makeup Mirror, priced at $59.99. Right off the bat, what caught my attention is its impressive brightness. It features 90 professional lamp beads that are 300% brighter than average mirrors. If you want a mirror that truly lights up your beauty routine, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a color rendering index CRI exceeding 97, you're getting natural light that shows your makeup in the best possible way, reducing the chances of makeup mishaps. The mirror also offers true 1x 10x 15x HD magnification, meaning you can zoom in on every detail without any distortion. With over 10,600 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, many users rave about how it has transformed their makeup application. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit high for a makeup mirror. Here's the thing though, you're investing in something that brings quality lighting and magnification, making it perfect for those who take their makeup seriously. If you're someone who values precision in your beauty routine, this might be the one for you. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable mirror that performs well under different lighting conditions. Skip this one if you're just looking for something basic. Overall, this is a great value for the features it offers. Now, if VESAUR's price point bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more affordable option. Product number 2, LitBear Travel Makeup Mirror. Next up, we have the LitBear Travel Makeup Mirror, priced at just $22.98. What really grabbed my attention here is its portability. If you want a reliable mirror that you can take anywhere, this is worth a serious look. The LitBear mirror features a rechargeable battery and double-sided 10x 1x magnification, which means you can do everything from full-face makeup to those detailed touch-ups on the go. The 3 color light settings give you plenty of flexibility to match the lighting of your environment, whether you're at home or in a hotel. Plus, the dimmable touchscreen makes it easy to adjust without fumbling around. With a rating of 4.6 stars from 2,500 reviews, people love how compact and functional it is. Now, some users mentioned that the mirror can feel a bit flimsy. But here's the thing, it's lightweight for travel, so a little compromise on build quality makes sense for portability. If you're a frequent traveler or just need something for quick touch-ups, this one still hits the mark. This is perfect for you if you need a travel-friendly option that won't break the bank. Skip this if you want something more robust for home use. For its price, it's a steal for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for makeup lovers who want a bit more luxury. Product number 3, fancii Tailor LED Mirror. Coming in at $49.99 is the fancii Tailor LED Lighted Travel Makeup Mirror. The first thing that stood out to me is its stunning marble rose design. It's stylish and functional. If you want a mirror that looks good and performs well, this is worth a serious look. This mirror gives you a large 5-inch view with a double-sided feature that includes 1x and 10x magnification. The 3 dimmable light settings ensure your makeup looks flawless, whether you're in natural light or a dim room. The eco-friendly rechargeable battery lasts up to 30 days on a full charge, which is impressive and saves you money on replacements. The 4.6-star rating from 2,400 reviews shows that users appreciate both its aesthetic and functionality. Now, some people mentioned that it's not as compact as other travel mirrors. I'll be real with you, while it's a bit bulkier, the trade-off for that extra viewing area is worth it for many users. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish mirror that doesn't compromise on size or performance. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra-compact. Given its features and design, this is a solid value. Now, if you're looking for something more premium and versatile, then don't miss the next product. Product number 4, Floxite 15X Magnifying Mirror. Next, let's talk about the Floxite FL615-15X Magnifying Mirror at $69.99. This mirror really caught my attention with its powerful 15x magnification feature. If you need to see every tiny detail clearly, this is worth a serious look. The 6.5 diameter mirror delivers both warm and cool LED lighting, ideal for any time of day. The compact design is travel-friendly, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. With a 4.5-star rating from 3,000 reviews, many users rave about its clarity and ease of use. Now, some users noted that the magnification can be too strong for some tasks. But here's why that's not a deal breaker. If you just step back a bit, you can still achieve a clear image, making it versatile for various beauty tasks. This is perfect for you if you want high magnification for detailed work. Skip this if you prefer a more standard magnification level. For the price, it offers excellent quality. Now, if you're looking for a wall-mounted solution that doesn't skimp on functionality, the next product might just be what you need. Product number 5, IMIKONA Wall-Mounted Mirror. Finally, we have the IMIKONA 9 Wall-Mounted Lighted Makeup Mirror at $39.99. What caught my eye here is the extended arm and 360-degree rotation. If you want something that maximizes viewing angles, this is worth a serious look. This mirror is designed with a 4000 mAh rechargeable battery, providing over 12 hours of usage on a full charge. Also features 3 color lights and adjustable brightness, which lets you customize your lighting perfectly. The dual-sided 10X magnification is super handy for detailed beauty tasks. With a 4.6-star rating from 1,500 reviews, users appreciate its functionality and ease of installation. Now, some users mention that installation can be tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's up, the flexibility and functionality make it worth the hassle for many. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile mirror that saves space. Skip this if you want something portable. For its features, it's a great value for a wall-mounted option. So there you have it. From the luxurious VESAUR to the portable lit bear and the stylish fancii to the powerful Flocksite and versatile IMIKONA, there's something for everyone. Depending on your needs, be it travel, style, or just pure functionality, these mirrors have got you covered. Choose wisely and happy makeup applying.